This isn't your average RV. This right here is your key to freedom. This pre-owned Keystone Raptor 352 toy hauler just showed up on our lot. This is truly a dream setup. Let me give you a quick tour, and if you like what you see, give us a call here at Robert Crist RV. This one's gonna go fast. For more information, visit our website, rvsaretofun.com, and reference stock number 12778A. All right, check out the side storage. We have some lighting right here, as well as some accent lighting there. Looks really nice at night. And there's two separate awnings. There's the first one in the back and the larger one in the front. Primetime entertainment in the front. We have two JBL speakers right there. These steps right here are second to none. Extremely solid, no movement. These things are basically rock. Now it's time to step inside. Check out this beautiful unit. So first things first, right here in the front, we have the king bed. There is so much storage in here. We got this closet right here. This is ready for a full washer and dryer. All the hookups are in there, as you can see. Now this closet right here is super spacious, double sliding doors. And then in the front of the bed, we have this nice two-door dresser. And right above that, we have the hookups for a TV. One thing that I've come to appreciate over my years of RVing is all these little slots right here that you can use for storage. You'd be amazed at how many things you can fit in here, as well as on the side of the bed right here. All right, so let's move on to the kitchen. This is packed with features. This kitchen has absolutely everything. It feels like you're right at home. It has a huge sink. Look at this, easy to wash your dishes, hooks for all your tools, so much storage, guys. When I say storage, there is insane amount of storage everywhere. I mean, even right here under the sink, there's drawers everywhere. And on the island, it has a ton of storage as well. And then just take a look at this fridge. This fridge is a full-size refrigerator. I mean, what more do you want? Another thing that I absolutely love are these seats. Check them out. There's one, there's two, and now we're sitting at the island getting ready to eat. Once we're done, we just pull the back lever and set them right back. And we jump into the more cozy seats. Check out these two recliners. Oh my gosh, extremely comfortable. Pull the lever and you're in full theater mode. We got cup holders on them. And then right in front of me, we have a fireplace, a TV, and all the technology to turn up the sound and make it feel like a true theater experience. And above the TV, way more storage. And then up here, you got a whole loft. Now let's go check out the back. Check out this 11-foot garage. It has an electric bed, a loft, and a bonus half bath. Truly built to roll and relax. Check out the roomy master bathroom. Again, plenty of storage, plenty of room to take a shower. Absolutely love the way this bathroom looks. This one will definitely not last long, so if you want it, we got it. Come to Robert Crist and check it out for yourself.